Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to New York, where the local time is approximately 2:05 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until we are parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please look around and make sure that you have all your personal belongings before you leave the aircraft. And be careful in opening the overhead compartments. You are now free to use your mobile phones and small lightweight devices. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and their entire New York-based and Houston-based flight crew, we thank you for flying with us this afternoon. We hope you've had a pleasant experience. We look forward to welcoming you again on another United flight. Welcome to New York. Enjoy the rest of your day.